Good morning. This is Donnie with Standing Goats Rescue. Just doing a quick video. We tried to do the live stream, the mobile live stream yesterday. We have met the criteria that YouTube calls for, the 1,000 subscribers in order to go live. We've done that. However, the live stream's not working. It says I have still not met the eligibility requirements. And we have no strikes, we have nothing against us, and I've got the email from YouTube congratulating me on the 1,000 subs mark. So if you guys have run into the same problem and you figured out how to get it fixed, I have sent out a couple of letters or messages to YouTube through their feedback. That's the only way you can get through to them. And I haven't got a response. I sent another one out this morning just before recording this. And I don't know what to do next. So if you guys have any ideas, the only option, what I've seen in the community section where there's hundreds of people who are experiencing the same thing, what they've done to fix it was to monetize and become a partner in that AdSense, and I don't want to do that. I don't want commercials. None of us like watching commercials. We subscribe to channels to watch their content, to see the videos that they put out, and nobody wants to watch videos that are loaded with commercials. So if you guys have any ideas what I can do to get this fixed so we don't have to do the advertisements, that would be fantastic. I'd greatly appreciate it. Well, I've got to get going. We have church this morning. We're running a little bit behind. So I'll see you guys soon. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, be safe.